On the last video, we saw a bunch of comments about hearing more of the sweet 5-cylinder noises from the Porsche 944. So we're going to post a full video of one of the stages from the Sandblast Rally. If it looks like we're being easy on the car, it's because we are. Earlier in the day, we already broke an axle, so this is kind of getting the feel of the car after making that repair. Enjoy.
Over small crest, very long. Left 6 long over crest. That's caution, right 3. Don't cut, ditch outside. Very long over small crest. Right 3 after tree deceptive. Right 5 over small crest. Crest, left 4, stay out. Crest, left 4. Right 4, mud. Right 5, tightens 4 over crest. Stay out. Tightens 4 over crest, stay out. Right 5, long. .150. Left 5, stay out. To left 6, 40, gate, caution, left 5, bump over small crest. Left 6 over small crest, opens, tightens 4. Right 5 over crest, don't cut. Right 5, caution, dip water. Left 4, don't cut. late. Right 5, long, soft. Turn right 2, through gate. To right 6 over crest, soft. Left 5 over jump, left 5 over jump. Kinda hard. 150. Caution. Left 2 on tree outside. Left 5 over crest. Left 4, very long. Right 5, tightens 4, soft. Left 5, soft. Opens, tightens 5. Right 6, extra long, tightens over small crest. Tightens over small crest. Okay. Left 4, very soft.
Is that right?
Right 5. Through gate. Turn right 3. Sorry, that was late. Turn left 2, soft at T. Left 2, soft. Stay right. Small crest. Left 5. Stay right over crest. 150, left 5. Right 5 long, opens over dip, tightens 5. Right 4, caution, crest into turn right 3. Right 4, caution, crest, turn right 3. Into left 6, right 5, small crest. Brake, turn left 4, 70. Right 6, short, off camber, left 5, right 4, soft. opens, tightens 4. Small crest into right 5. Left 2.
Hang on.
Right
Wait,
5
wait,
into
right
left,
5.
left 2.
Okay.
Left 5 over crest, stay out slippy. Right 6 very long into caution bumps. Small crest, 100. Right 5 over small crest, very long. Crest, 180. Turn left 2 at T.
At T.
Left 2 at T. Right up there, a tree. Left 5 to right 4. Left 5 slippy into right 4 soft. Easy. Left 6 through junction. Small crest, double caution, very slippy. Stay out, big bumps through junction. Left 5.
That was full
Yep,
lineup.
yep. Right 4, soft. Left 6 over crest, downhill. Left 6 over crest, kinks. Right 6, slippy maybe, over crest. Caution, right 4 over bumps, soft.
Hang on.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm ahead. That will be, yeah, the right 4 over bumps, soft, long, yep. Left 5 over small crest, soft, tightens 4. Right 6 over crest, very soft. 20, brake right 4, very soft. Right 6 over small crest. Into left 4 over big crest. Slippy maybe. Right 5, long over crest. Right 5, long over finish. Caution brake after this short runway.
If you guys want to check out a full recap of that whole race weekend, you can see that in our previous video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys next time.